Hello and welcome to Surprise Toy Box. So this should be the last Megabloks Kubros figure that I'm gonna build. It's the second series. It's Hunter from Destiny. And so let's take a look again at the back. So here are the ones from this series. And I almost bought Hellboy for myself. It looks pretty cool, but I'm glad I didn't because I hate building these Megabloks figures. So let's open up the box and start this build. So there's 2, 4, 5 bags and then the instruction booklet. So let's just open all of them once again. I don't know why they don't just put everything into like 1 or 2 bags. There's a lot of packaging. Okay. Oops. Oh, I got like snacks in the way. Oh, this one comes with a extra small bag of small pieces. And the last bag. Alright, so here's all the pieces. Let's get started with the speed build. Alright, so here is the completed Hunter character, and again it was a terrible build. We have 1 gold piece left. I don't know if I missed one. So if you see here, this piece doesn't even sit flush. Sorry, if you can focus. It doesn't even sit flush against the build because this piece is in the way. That's like terrible design. I don't think it's focusing. But yeah, you can see it's like half hanging off. Then this gun I could not put on properly because his arm kept falling off. I think it seems to work now, but ugh, this took me almost an hour again. Let's see if we can focus this. Oh, my autofocus wasn't turned on. So there. It's hard to see because it's dark, but yeah, it's not snapped on properly. Again, my hand hurts from building this. I'm starting to sweat just because it took so much effort to snap some of the pieces together. They just would not go together. Thank goodness this is the last one my sister has. So, what do you guys think of this build? I mean, I think out of the three, this one looks the least weird, his body shape. I mean, the body shape's the same, but I think because he has like a cape and his head has like a thing on it, it looks slightly better, and I like the printed pieces. But anyways, that's all. And leave a comment, a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!